This conference will now be recorded.
Can you hear me? Yes, perfect. So let's go ahead and start. Last class, I asked you to download data loader. Everybody would have downloaded the data loader. Today we will see how to go ahead and upload a data, right? How to go ahead and upload a data. Let's go ahead and see. Now, what I will do, I will create a sample data first. Let's create a sample data of 10 and we will upload 10 and we'll see whether it's working fine or not, right? So I'm taking an Excel sheet because this is the spreadsheet I have, right? So I say name, right? First name, last name, right? I say phone and I say city. Let's assume that these are the 4 columns I have, right? Now, let's take some scientist name, APJ, KALAM Kalam, phone number 111, city Chennai. Next, let's say that, right, first name Ramanujam, A, phone number 222, right? Let's say that from where? From Mysore. Next, ARYABHATTA Aryabhatta, that's also A, phone number 33333. Let's say that from where? From Hyderabad, right? Next, Jagdish Chandra, last name is Bose, phone number is 444, let's say Kolkata. Right? Okay. Next, let's say Graham Bell invented telephone, phone number 555, let's say Berlin. Right? Next, Thomas Alva Edison, right? Invented bulb. Let's say phone number 666. Which place? Rome. Let's take Louis Pasteur. Pasteurization of a milk to keep the milk secure or to keep milk from spoiling, boiling the milk, pasteurization. Let's say that from which city? Yeah. Next, Alexander Fleming. What he did? Penicillin, injection, vaccination, right? Let's say any place, I don't know what is that, so I will say Madrid. Next, Rudolf Diesel, diesel engine. Today you see the diesel engine running on the road, trucks, buses. The phone number 999, right? Which city? London. Next, Madame Curie invented radium. Radium. City we don't know. Again, I'm taking London. Next, what else? Albert Einstein. How can you forget him? Albert E. Sorry, nee per ledanla. Somebody is saying his name is not there. 10001. Right? Anything? OSLO. Norway capital. Oslo. Right? Enough. Now, these are how many data? We have 11 records to be loaded. In real time, nobody will give you 11. They will give you thousands and in lakhs. But just for the training purposes, because process is same, whether it's a 10 record, whether it's a 10 lakh record, process is same. So these are the records we'll be loading. Now, before you create or you start uploading, there are some file validation rules. Write down file validation rules. Number 1, file validation rules. Number 1, file validation rule. Number one, no two header, no two header, no two header can have same name. No two header, no TW2 header, HEADR header. No two header can have same name. For example, see the rule first. This is the header, first name. I cannot have another column with a first name. Headers should be unique. They cannot have same. See, first column, first name, second column, first name. No. Right? It should be something else. It could be first name too. First one is first name, second is first name too. It could be. But you cannot have a same column name. First rule. Clear? Second, headers cannot be blank. Headers cannot be blank. Second rule, headers cannot be blank. For example, you see here, first name, there's a header. In the second column, do you have a header? No, you cannot have this. Header cannot be blank. You should have something here. It cannot be left blank. Next, third rule, right? Avoid special characters in headers. Avoid special characters in header. Like this. Here, can you see in the header I have entered all special characters? Avoid. Don't allow any type of special characters in the header. You can use underscore, not a problem. You can use dash, but not star, greater than symbol, pipe symbol, @ symbol, right? Hash symbol, dollar symbol. Avoid. Perfect. Now, all the three rules applied? Yes. I click on file. I click on save as. I look for your folder. Oh, this is not your folder. Browse. External public. Okay. Your folder would be OF109. Right. So I click on C drive. Right. Here it is. OF109. I will say SCI UPLOAD. Don't be in a hurry to click save. As soon as you click save, it will be saved as what? Excel. Excel is not a supported format. I already told you, you have to save in a universal format, CSV, JSON, XML. Yesterday we discussed about it. So here it is. Click on this Excel workbook, select CSV, comma separated. Now I click on save. The data looks to be an Excel, but it's not an Excel data anymore. It is a comma separated value. Close it, right? Rupam, how will you differentiate? I'll show you quickly and then we will get into the work. 109, right? I will say view, I will say extra large icon. Can you see here how the file is looking? XA. If you put on it, it shows that it's a comma separated. But if you create an Excel file, new, right? Microsoft Excel. Do you see Excel anywhere? Here it is. See the icon difference. You see, this is the CSV and this is the Excel. There's icon change. Perfect. Now we created a CSV file. I'm deleting this. Right? Tile. We created. Right? Now, how to use data loader? Keep watching. First step, log into your Salesforce. Rupam @of109.com, password CRM1234 hash. Any given time, if you feel that I'm going fast, right, please let me know. Anytime if you feel that I'm going fast, don't hesitate. You can tell me that, Rupam, slow down. Right? So there we go. Let's go ahead. First step, don't write, watch. click on your beautiful pic, click on settings, right? Look for reset my security token. Look for this option called as reset my security token. Click on the button called as reset security token. A token is sent to your email address. Check your email. It's telling me. So now I go to my Gmail. I should be receiving a token. Is it this step I have to do every time? No. This is a one-time step. This is not a one-time password. It is a multi-time password. This is the security token that I received. Case sensitive security token. I will copy this token. You save this token anywhere. So if you don't have this token, you have to generate one more. Same procedure. Again, you have to click on your pick, settings, then security token, reset security token. If you have lost a token, better that you save it. Notepad, save it. This is the token that I need every time I open a data loader. This token can be used n number of times. If you forget this token or you lost the token, then again you'll repeat the same step. Now I copy the token, right? Now I go ahead, look for my data loader 50. 50, 51. So you got 51. That's good. Enjoy. I'll be using 50. Meaning is same. This is the way the data loader will open. What do we want to do? We want to insert a data. I will say insert. I will take password authentication. Password is CRM1234 hash. After that, Control V. Paste the security token. So the password is password security token. Right? Now you click on login. This next button will be activated. It will say login successful. If you don't give security token, you just give username and password, it will give error, 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 error. Got it? So your password is what? Password plus security token. Now I click next. Everybody clear? I think that I'm going slow. So
Why
if you
is
feel
that
that
security
no,
token
your
needed?
thinking is wrong, then correct me. Yes, online.
Why
Any question?
why do they have extra authentication to log in?
Because this is the third party app. Now this is not within the Salesforce environment. It's an installable software. This software is installed in your local machine. When it's installed in your local machine, the code is exposed to the user, right? I can hack this. This is one of my pipeline through which I can get inside Salesforce if you're quite intelligent, right? Because this is an installable tool. Every files folders are available within your local drive. It's not like a cloud that you're accessing with, right? Web browser. Nothing is in your local machine. You don't know how to crack. Here people knows how to crack because the files are where? This data loaded in is your local machine. So the local machine is creating connection. Can't I tamper that and get inside it? Yes. That is the reason one additional security. Clear? Perfect. Now where do you want to insert? You can insert almost all the tables. Every table you can insert, guys. You want to upload a user. There are 500 new college joinee recently joined the company. So you can see user. In a CSV file, I have 1,000 users. You can create 1,000, subject that you should have a license. So let's say Salesforce chatter. There are 5,000 license. I can upload 5,000 users in just 1 second. You don't need to go ahead and create user, new user, fill the form. Any table, you can upload the data from here. Any table. Now we want to upload where? Contact. We want to upload where? Contact. Right? I click on choose the CSV file. Browse. Where is the file? It's in your SFDC folder. 109. Here is the file which we just created. I've chosen the file. Click next. All the three rules system is verifying now. What are the three rules? No column, no two columns should have same header. Column cannot be left blank, right? Avoid special character. So it is just checking those rules. For a second, it was doing something, analyzing file. It was nothing but checking those three rules. If the three rules are not obeyed, if the data is also not intact, it will give an error. Now it will say that your operation contains how many records? 11. Perfect. It goes to the next step. Next step is called mapping. What is a mapping? In Excel or in CSV, I have 4 columns: first name, last name, phone, city. Now you have to map in the Salesforce table. They also have first name, last name, mailing city, phone. You have to now map 1:1. Which field should go where? Which field should go where? So first, phone. I will say create or edit map because I don't have any mapping. A new window comes. City. Look for city. First name. I will drag and drop it to first name. Next, last name. I will drag and drop to the last name. Next, phone. Phone. I can drag and drop to the mobile phone. City. Mailing city. Mailing city. Mailing city. Mailing city. City is mailing city. Clear now? Is it compulsory that all the column has to be mapped? No. Delete on the keyboard. You can leave like this. In the CSV file, I have 4 columns. It is not compulsory that you have to map all the columns. Whichever is compulsory in contact, you have to map it. Tell me, what is the mandate field in contact? Last name has a star mark. Account. What is the compulsory field? In account, what is the compulsory field? Account the last name unda, right? Account name. Account name is the compulsory field. In opportunity table, while creating opportunity, tell me what are the mandate fields? Idi parasthiti manadi. I'm an opportunity, madam. While creating an opportunity, what is mandate? Contact name mandate, huh? Sorry?
Opportunity name. Opportunity name.
Okay, anything else?
Account.
Close date,
Close
stage,
date.
opportunity name. These 3 are mandate fields. Re naina, మీరు ముంచుతారా నన్ను? When I click on app manager, I go to right sales. That is the reason I gave you homework. Create 10 accounts, 10 contacts, 10 opportunities, 10 cases. Why do you think I am giving you this all? So that you know when you click new, what are the fields which are mandate? Close date has a star mark, right? Opportunity name. I hit save button. Tell me wherever it's showing red. 3 fields it's showing red. So these are mandate fields. So that means if you are loading opportunity, you should map this 3 compulsory. If you don't map this 3, remaining field whether you map, you don't map, system will not tell you anything. Whenever I hit the save button, it is looking for these 3 fields only. Stage name, close date, opportunity name. You should be knowing this by hearted in your mouth. What is the mandate in case? What is the mandate fields in lead? Lead. Hit save.
Name.
Last name and company. Only 2 fields mandate there. Whenever you are uploading lead, you need to have minimum 2 column to be mapped. You might have been in CSV 100 column. Forget about it. I just need minimum 2 to upload. Otherwise it will give an error. Right? So now I'm loading what? I'm loading contact. In contact, what is the mandate field? Save. Only one. Last name. Whether you put first name, I don't care. Right? Whether you put first name, can we upload? Yes. Because last name is mandate and that's there. Remaining are optional. Clear what I'm saying? Remaining are optional. Remaining are optional. అయిపోయిందా? ఇప్పుడు ఏంటిది ఇప్పుడు అవుతుందా లేదా? చెప్పండి మరి. డబ్బులు అక్కడ తీసుకోండి. నేను పర్చేస్ రాలేదు. సార్ చెప్పండి. రైట్. అడవడిలో వచ్చాను. సో రైట్. పర్ఫెక్ట్. See, this is my thing. I'll forget phone. I will forget my purse. I will forget my adapter. Every day this will go on with me. Okay. Right? Yes. Everyone clear? Right? So still I'm mapping this. If anybody has a doubt, please call it out. This is not a compulsory, but still because the data is there, I'm mapping it. Right? Mailing city to city. Right? Phone to phone. Do you want to save this mapping? In real time, we save it. Why? In real time, nobody will give you 4 columns. Whenever you get a data, there'll be 80 to 100 columns, right? And all the column names will be khatarnak, khatarnak. Chala dangerous name untadi. So hence, when you are mapping, somebody will help you. Maybe the client, whoever has sent the data, you will say, hey, you sent me the data and I see the data is in, there are many columns which I don't even know. Where should I put? Help me in mapping. So they will help you in mapping. You save the mapping so that next time when you come with the same request, you need not to do this exercise again. Next time again the same request, please upload 20 contacts, 200 contacts. Will you do the mapping again? No. You will say, is it the same file structure? Follow the same file, just change the data. Then you can use this mapping. I will say scientist, upload, map. I'm saving it as a mapping. Next time if the data comes in the same format, I need not to go ahead to do this process. There I will say choose existing mapping. Already the mapping is done, it's there. So choose it. If any of the column is extra, that will be unmapped, ignored by the system. Now I click next. Now while uploading, if there is an error happens, for example, you are uploading 10,000 data. Out of that, 9,978 got uploaded. 22 failed. How will you find which 22 failed? Log files. Where do you want the log to be saved? I will say save the log in OF9 folder. I will create a new folder called as logs. Right? I select the folder. Select the folder. In this folder, save the log. Both success and failure log will be saved in this folder. Perfect. Now I'm ready. Click finish. Warning, right? This will be inserting a new record. Yes. Wait. Now it's loading. Done. 11 successful inserts. 11 successful inserts. 0 error. Click on view error. Nothing. Click on view success. Yes. You can see that item created, item created, item created, item created, item created, and it generated an ID. Do you think it's the same? No. If you closely observe, these are not same. 39 JLN, JLO, JLP, JLQ. There's a minute difference. NOPQRST. TUVWX, XAAI, WAAI, VAAI. So each one of them are unique ID, system generated. Perfect. I say, okay. Let's go ahead and check in Salesforce. I click on contact, right? Click in this drop down, select all contact. You should be able to see all the scientists. Albert Einstein, Alexander Fleming, APJ Kalam, Aryabhatta, Graham Bell, right? Jagdish Chandra Bose. It loaded from where? Using a data loader. See, whatever field you map mobile, it came to the mobile. You map mailing city, it went to the city only. Whichever field you map, it went there. Everybody clear? Anybody has any questions? How to upload it? Yes, tell me. Sorry? There is aeroplane launching, so let's wait 1 minute. Yep, sorry. Yep. So many tables, yes. You don't know. For that, that's a good question. Rupam, how many tables are there? There are more than 2000 tables in Salesforce. Out of that, we don't even know 20. Account table, contact table, lead table, opportunity table, campaign table, user table, profile table. What else? Case table, activity table. All these table list, I will give it to you. You will get as a part of a soft copy, not as a part of hard copy. Otherwise, we have to shave our head, right? We will give you as a part of SFDC documentation. I will give you this object reference guide. Here, all the tables are available. These are the tables. I'm scrolling down. See, in A, these many tables are there. A table starting with B, C, D, E, F. These are the tables of Salesforce. Where are we? We are in contact. Where is the contact table? It is a contract. Let's see, contact. Here is the contact table. Page number 511. Contact table. I'm in contact table. All the list of columns are here. Right? Here we go. See, these are the list. These are the column names, birth date, right? Clean status, right? Department, do not call, email, fax, first name. I map to this field now. So I will give you this documentation. You want to load in user table. Do you know all the fields of user table? Don't know. So you have to come here, you have to check. And then you have to map your CSV with this table. Clear? Yes, you will get this document. Next, any other questions?
Can you show me how to create a log file?
Online, wait. Online, please wait. Yep. The data will be ignored, not lost. So the data is already there in the CSV file. It will be there in the CSV, but not in the Salesforce, obviously. Right? The data will not be uploaded if you don't map. Right? Offline, any questions? Any questions? Yes, online. Tell me.
Can you show me how to create a log file? Log.
Sure, I will. Definitely. Any other questions? No? Perfect. Now, write down mapping rules.
Rupam, can you can you show me the path of the
Tell me.
security? Can you show me the path of that security token also? Path, security token path.
You want me to show how the security token is generated?
Yes, the path of that.
Sure. Okay, no problem. I will. Right? Write down mapping rules. Number one, first rule, both source and destination, both source, S-O-U-R-C-E, source, both source and destination should have same data type. Both source and destination should have same data type, right? Both source and destination should have same data type. Next rule, second rule, size of the destination, size of the destination, size of the destination, size of the destination, size of the destination should be greater than or equal to source. The size of the destination should be greater than or equal to source. Third rule, third and last. Destination can be targeted only once. Destination can be targeted only once. Destination can be targeted only once. Whereas a source can have multiple destinations. Whereas a source can have multiple destinations. Subject to rule 1 and 2. Subject to rule 1 and 2. Right? Subject to rule 1 and 2. Clear, everyone? Right. See here now. Right? This is your source. Hmm. This is your source. CSV. From where? Source. This is your destination. What is the destination? It's a contact table in Salesforce. This is the place where you want to send the data. What is the first rule? Both source and destination should have same data type. Suppose this is the text. Can you upload in a field called as date of birth? Can you upload? No. I cannot put this field like this, right? I cannot go ahead and write. Can I connect this? No, color is not good. Red is not showing well. This is good, right? Because this is a text and that is a date. Text will go to text field, number will go to number field, date will go to date field. Source and destination should have same data type. First rule, clear? Second rule, here the name is 50 characters. Size is 50. Whenever you are sending this to here, to first name, this also should be what? This should be 50 or it should be 500. But it cannot be 49. How can you fit 50 in 49? Rupam, cut the last M. Just put RUPO. No, system will not cut the data. Either it will throw it out or it will insert in. That's it. So destination should be more than or equal to source. Source is 50, so should be equal to or more than. It can be 90. Perfect. It's more than. Clear? Third rule. A destination can be targeted only once, but whereas a source can have multiple destination. Whereas a source can have multiple destination subject to rule 1 and 2. What is the rule 1 and 2? Same data type. First name is what? Text. First name, text. Last name is also text. City is also text. Can I send first name to all the three fields? Yes. So if you go and check the city, you will see Aryabhatta. You go and check the last name, Aryabhatta. You check the first name, Aryabhatta. Destination can be targeted only once. You see that? Only one arrow is coming to the destination. But whereas source can have multiple destination. This is the source. Source has multiple lines, right? You cannot have like this. This is not possible. You cannot have this situation anytime. This is not possible. Why? Because you see that destination is targeted twice. First name is also coming to last name. Last name is also coming to first name. Two arrows coming in. Not possible in Salesforce. Destination can be targeted only once, whereas a source can have multiple destination. That's what the rule I gave you, right? These are called mapping rule, which we will implement in tomorrow's class. All these rules implementation I will show in tomorrow's class. Today, first learn the basics. Now, let us do once again the same step. Now, I uploaded the data in contact. I want to delete this data. I want to delete Jagdish Chandra Bose. All these got uploaded in my, I can see all this got uploaded. Kareena Kapoor, this, Ramanujam. You see, this is what we uploaded, right? Rudolph Diesel, we uploaded. Thomas Alva Edison, we uploaded. Now, we want to delete this. For deleting, you need ID. What ID? When you click on Thomas Alva Edison, on the top in the address bar, there is an ID. In the address bar, 00350039JLSAI. For deletion, you need only ID. Every record will have unique ID. You open under record, Aryabhatta, there will be number. All these numbers are not same. They are unique numbers, as I was showing you. Right? Now, while I inserted it, I got a log. I got a log. Where is my log? My log is stored in my OF109 folder. Under log, here is the success log. Whatever the success happened, right? All these logs are here. If there's an error, log will be here. Which record failed? Now you see that. Do I have the ID? Do you need this? I don't need it actually. If I delete this data, delete. For deletion, I just need ID. That's it. Remember this. Deletion, we don't need anything. Remaining all data is ignored. I'm closing it. I'm not saving it. Now let us do from the scratch. First step, you have to click on setup. Click on, right, settings. Click on my reset my security token. Click on reset security token. It will send a token to your email address. You'll get a token like this. Step 1, token. Step 2, right? You open data loader. I'm going from 0 again. Open data loader, right? Click on delete. Now I want to delete. Click on password. Give the password CRM1234#, followed by the security token. Immediately security token. Click login. System is logging in, right? Click next. What do you want to delete? I want to delete contact. Where is the ID? Browse. In success, you have the ID. Open. I click next. System is verifying those file rules. 3 rules I gave you. No two columns should have same header, right? Column cannot have special characters. Column cannot be left blank. Fine, perfect. Now, create or edit mapping. See, ID is only compulsory. ID to ID. In my source, there are first name, last name, city. I don't need anything. I just need the ID for deletion. I click on OK. Click next. Where do you want to save the log file? Where do you want to save the log file? Where do you want to save the log file? Click browse. Wherever you want to save. Create a folder called as delete. Delete con. See, under logs, I've created another folder, delete con, and I say select folder. Somebody who asked from online, it's for you. So this is the place where the
Sorry to
log will be
interrupt.
stored.
Where did you say that we are performing delete option?
In the starting itself. Here,
Oh, okay,
in the
okay. Sorry,
starting
I
itself,
just
I've
missed
chosen
it.
delete,
Yeah, sorry.
right? So I click on finish. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Once again, a warning message. If your organization recycle bin is full, then the data will be permanently deleted. Are you sure? Yes. System is now doing a delete. 11 successful deletes. View success. Item deleted, item deleted, item deleted. Same thing is available in my log. When I go to the log folder, I'll be able to see the same result there. Errors? No. I say, okay, done. If you go to the log folder, delete con, success and error logs are here. Both the logs. Every time you'll get two logs. Success log, error log. If there's no error, it will be blank. Now I go to my Salesforce and check. I go to my contact. I shouldn't be able to see a single scientist now. All contact. Check. Anywhere do you find right Louis Pasteur, right Jagadish Chandra Bose, Arya Bhatta? Not there. All went to the recycle bin. File, view all. I scroll down. I look for recycle bin. Keep watching. If you find, here it is, recycle bin. Now you'll be able to see all those scientists there. Deleted, no, so it went to recycle bin. If you say empty recycle bin, permanently deleted. You want to restore them back, restore. Clear now, everyone? Perfectly fine. That's good,
Good.
right? Can we delete? Why? Yeah. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give 5 ID, no? 5 IDs. Give 10 IDs, 10 contact. You want to delete one ID, give one ID. Whatever ID you give, it will delete. That's it. It will not even check what is there. Give a ID, it will delete. That's it. Why 5? Anything, any number. Any other questions? Anybody has any other questions?
Rupam.
Yes.
Hello.
Tell me.
While doing like we have to delete only 5 numbers, then in bulk delete, how we will specify only 5 IDs?
Sorry, I didn't got the question.
Now we have deleted all 11 records from that delete option where we have entered the password and token. From there, how we will only delete 5 IDs as we have
What is the link
specified.
of password and token? You give 5 IDs, it will delete 5. You give one ID, it will delete one. Whatever is there in that CSV file, the ID, list of IDs, it will delete. You
The
delete, you give
total
1
IDs
lakh
will be
IDs.
deleted, no?
Sorry?
Total, whatever 11 IDs we have given, that will be
Uh-huh.
deleted.
Yes, that is
And
what it deleted now.
If we want
and
to
what?
delete only few, I think we need to edit our CSV file having only those IDs.
Okay, thank you.
Isn't it, Rupa?
Re Yendraj, పిల్లలకు అడుగుతున్నారు questions. Fine, no. So you want to delete only 5? Okay, fine. I'm restoring everything. Right? Restore. Right? What do you want me to do? In contact, all the contacts are back. You want to delete 5? Come, right? Where is the log? Here is the success log. Which you want to delete? Tell me. You can see the data. You want to delete whom? You tell me now. You select first 5.
First 5.
Remaining, delete the data. Save the, right? Now only 5 IDs are there. In question,
I
5
think
IDs
she's
are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I
Right?
think she's
Save
asked.
it. Now use data loader. How many IDs are there? So what it will delete? Obviously, if there are 100 IDs, it will, whatever file you are pointing, a file any IDs unna anta delete chestadi. If you put 5 there, it will delete 5. If you put 1, it will delete 1. So as simple as that. Delete. Right? Contact file. Point to that file. In this file, there are 5 IDs. It will delete 5. Click next. Right? Yes. Didn't I save it? Cancel. Success. Let's open. So whatever the data is there, how many are there? 5. Perfect. Close. Now it will delete only 5. Delete. Contact. Browse. Right? Logs. Success. Next. See, it says 5. Click OK. Click map. Map the IDs. 5 IDs are there. All the 5 are mapped now. Right? Click next. Click next. Click finish. Okay. Yes. Delete, 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 delete. Done. I don't need to check also. Close. Come to Salesforce. Come to the recycle bin again. I should have 5 there. It's not a matter of numbers. In that file, how many number is there? It will delete. We need IDs. Your question should have been opposite. Rupam, how will you get the IDs? That should be your question. I want to delete all customer that belongs to Hyderabad. Do you want me to open one by one record from the address bar, copy the numbers? Your question should have been, how should I get an ID? Is a question. Okay, ఇదైతే upload చేశాం. I want to delete Saif Ali Khan, Kareena Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan, which is already there. How will I get the ID? Will I open Kareena Kapoor, copy paste? Saif Ali Khan, copy paste. Will you do the ID copy paste? If you have to delete 10,000, then how what? In such case, you will use export. Export. Export what? Contact. Where do you want to export? I want to export this contact in the same OF109 CUN EXPORT. Some name I'm giving. Contact export. I click save. I click next. System will ask you, what are the fields you want? You want first name? Yeah. For deletion, I don't need first name. I don't need last name. I need only what? ID. Look for ID. ID. Now you can give a condition. Wherever billing city, wherever mailing city equals to Mumbai, or wherever mailing city contains A, city la Hyderabad A, Mumbai A, New Delhi there is no A, Chennai A, wherever A is there in the city, right? Click on add condition. So I'm taking IDs from contact table where the mailing city contains A. Click finish, click yes. System is now exporting the data. Total how many data got exported? 5. Now I can take this data and delete, because now I have exported the data where? In OF109 folder, I have something called as contact export. This is what I have, right? If I open this, it's a CSV file, right? Let's open with Excel, or let's open Excel and drag and drop. Meaning is same, I don't mind. In this, what will be there? Only IDs. Only IDs are there because you want to delete. I don't need the name, phone, so why should I pull the name and phone, right? I go ahead and drag and put the file here. Yes, see, 5 IDs has come out. These IDs, whose ID is that? I don't know, but their city contains A. If you open these IDs, you'll be able to see, Rupam, how can I open this ID? No problem, copy the ID, come to Salesforce, right? Go to your right contact, open any contact, Albert E. Just replace the ID here. Delete, paste the ID, press enter. It will load that. So we want to see who's this. Let's see. So it's loading. Contact name is Louis Pasteur. In that, if you go to the details, you see the city, Paris. In Paris, A is there. With a condition, I exported the IDs. Now I will use the same. I'll click on delete. I will point to this file. Next, next, next. All the contacts with city A will be deleted. Got it now? Understood? Yes or no? Ardhavainda? Yes?
While exporting only, we can put the condition.
While export, you can put a condition. That's correct. If you don't give it any condition, it will pull
Everything.
all. If there are 1,000 records in the contact, it will pull all the 1,000. You give a condition where name, last name contains NA, right? Karina, Sarina, Samina, Amina, all this Mina. So all NA, all NAs. I want all contacts with NAs. Pull it. What do you want me to do? You want to delete? For deletion, you need ID. That's it. Clear? Right? That's it for today. Tomorrow, your class is as usual, 10:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Oh, tomorrow is Saturday, no? Sorry, Monday. Your class will be as usual on 10:30. No time change. Just for today, the class was at 11. Plug. Right? That's it, guys. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. All doubts and others, I will clear not today.